Hi and welcome to video number 2. In this video we're going to cover how to structure, sell and deliver a premium video course. Now if you remember in the last video, one of the back-end types of products that you can sell is a premium video course, where you can sell for $4, $5, $6, $7, $800 or even $1,000 in your business. And what I'm going to do in this video is show you how I actually deliver one of my products, one of my video courses. And this is a premium video course. This is something that I sell in my business between $497 and $997. Okay, this is a video course, so I'm going to show you how I structure it, how I sell it, and how I deliver it to my customers. So hopefully this will make a lot more sense as to actually how to deliver this type of course in your business. So what we're going to do is head over to my Aweber account and show you some more stuff here. Okay, so let's just say that you have generated some customers into your business, into your email list. You now need to funnel those customers into the back end part of your business, and as I said, this is where you should be focusing a lot of your efforts, because you can make some very good money. And what you need to do, well, what you need to do, what I'm going to show you is what I do and how I funnel people into the back end and how I actually sell one of my products. So then you can take whatever you want from this video and you can use it yourself in your own business. So the way I do it is, whenever I generate brand new customers into my list, I send them a series of follow-up emails. Usually the first one is just a main download link, and then I usually send them at least 2 or 3 email follow-ups after that, and they've got a mixture of some helpful information, where I talk about the product that they've purchased, giving them some extra tips and extra help, and at the same time I'll either recommend some other products of mine, or I will funnel them into the back end. And the way I do that is I send them to a survey. Okay, so if we go into message number 2 here, I'll open that in the new tab and what we'll do is, if we scroll down, don't worry about all of this, this is just things that I'm talking about the product. I recommend my membership site, paulnicholsmembership.com, which is something else I sell. But at the bottom there it says, PS, don't forget, if you want to get a business strategy session and talk to me personally, then book it here. Okay, now this link here, I link to a survey. I link to a survey, and this is currently on SurveyMonkey, and I link to a survey and I send them over there, and that is where they can fill it out and they can actually tell me what their struggles are, what help they need in their business, and all of that. I will actually show you the survey which I use in my business very shortly. Okay, I will take you through that in one of the next videos, but this video I want to try and focus mainly on how to actually structure, sell and deliver the premium video course, but I'm not going to go into the survey side of things. Okay, all you need to know right now is that I send them to a survey to fill out. So what happens is they go to a survey, and if they fill out the survey and they tell me that they've got a budget, okay, to actually invest in their business, and they need some extra help, I will see what their budget is, and if it fits in line with the price of one of my video courses, then that is what I will sell them. Okay, what I will then do is, once they come through SurveyMonkey, I will contact them via Skype. I will call them. Okay, we will schedule a call together, and then I will sell this particular product, this actual premium video course, and I'll send them to a sales page from my Skype call, and as I said, the price will go from 497 up to 997, and this is what I will sell if they've told me that their budget, okay, is sort of 497 or 697 or 997. Because obviously, if they've told me that their budget is only $500, then that's not going to be how much you can charge for coaching, okay, because coaching is a lot more. That's obviously like your own personal time. So this is why I said that a premium video course kind of fills a gap. Yeah, if you can't work with somebody one-on-one, or they don't have the money to invest at that particular time, then you can sell a video course, a premium video course instead, and this is exactly what I do. So they fill out the survey, they schedule a call, and then I call them back. I talk to them about the video course, and then they may buy the video course at the time. Yeah, I'll send them the link over Skype when we're actually talking over Skype, and then what will happen is I will go to they will go on to a list, okay, Video Coach 1. This is my premium video course list, and if we go down the page here, you'll see that these are all my follow-up messages for my premium video course. Yeah, there's currently 33 messages. Now this is how you can deliver your product. When it comes to premium video courses, I don't like to actually give them all of the videos all in one go. There's a very important reason for that, and that is some of my customers, now listen to this very carefully because this is really important and this can drastically increase your conversions and make you a lot more money. Some of my customers will only purchase the course if they can set up some type of monthly payment or weekly payment. Yeah, some of my customers haven't been able to make the full 497 or 997 straight off. So what I do is I give them or I let them set up a payment plan through PayPal where they can make 3 payments of say 297 or 3 payments of 197, and this really helps my customers. But the only way you can do that, or I strongly recommend that if you do that and you offer your customers and your subscribers a payment plan, is that you need to structure, or you need to think about how you actually deliver your videos to your customers. And this is why I just said to you, I like to actually structure my videos where they go out every single day. So I don't give them all of the video course in one go, because if you did that and someone paid you $97 or $197 and the course was actually $700 and they got all of the videos on the first day, they could just cancel their payment plan, okay, because some people unfortunately will do that. So this is kind of a way to protect yourself against people that may do that. Now I'm not saying that people will, I'm not saying that everyone will do that, but the odd person may do it, and obviously you're going to lose money. So this is a great way to do that. And the other reason why I like to structure my video courses, or I like to deliver them like this, is that people can get the information in bite-sized chunks, yeah, rather than all in one go. Because if I sent somebody 33 videos all in one go, they may get very overwhelmed with all of the information that they've now got on their PC to like actually go through. So that's the other reason why I like to deliver the videos each and every day. So this is how you structure, and this is how you deliver, and that's how you sell a premium video course. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just run through that again. So what happens is someone buys a product from me, they get sent to my buyers list. Within the first few follow-ups, I've got some links there which link to a survey. Okay, they will then go through to a survey. I could link direct to the sales page for my premium video course, but the conversions will be terrible. If you just link to a product page, unless your copy is very, very, very strong, your conversions will be very low. I found that the best conversions I get is when I actually talk to my customers over Skype, and if they give me some answers in the survey that I give them, if they tell me that they've got money to invest, okay, and they need some help, then I will see what course is going to be best suited for them based on their budget. and if it's around $500 or $600, then I will send them to my video course. I will obviously speak to them first, and then we will talk about the course, and then I will send them the sales page, and then they may go and buy the course there and then. And then once they get added to my buyers list on my coaching course, on my on my premium video course list, they will automatically get an email from me every day with a new video. And as you see here, look, number 1, number 2, right up to number 33, and this goes out over 33 days. So if somebody does purchase a course from you, but they can't afford to actually pay you all in one lump, then you can set up a payment plan for them. You can have some different links on your sales page to do that. And this is why it's important for you to structure your video course like this. And not only that, this is all done hands off. The moment somebody has actually paid you for this course, there's nothing you need to do. There is nothing you need to do apart from just sit back and let your Aweber tool, let your autoresponder take over and deliver all of your videos when they need to get delivered. So this is how you structure, sell, and deliver a premium video course. I hope this has now made sense, because this took me a very long time to find this little system, and it does work really well. But don't forget, this is just one of the type of back-end products that you can actually sell in your business. This isn't the only one, but this is definitely a gap filler. This is definitely something that you can sell if people haven't got a couple of $1,000s to invest, or $1,000 to invest. If they've just got $300 or $400 to invest and they need extra training from you, then you can sell a premium type of, or a premium price video course. And this is what I've been doing for a long time, and this works really well. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you can take away lots of different things from this video, and feel free to just add like some extra twists and tweak it how you think that would suit you more than what I've showed you in this video. But this is exactly what I do in my business. It works really well, so hopefully you can now use this to go out and sell lots of back-end video courses, premium video courses on the back-end part of your business. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one.